Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Welcome to my channel Learning Corner. In this lesson, we are going to learn Arabic ordinal numbers from 1st till 10th. Before we begin a lesson, we must know that Arabic ordinal numbers are used as adjectives for Arabic nouns. It means that ordinal numbers must follow the gender of nouns. So if the noun is masculine word, ordinal number must be a masculine word, and if the noun is a feminine word, ordinal number must be in the form of a feminine word. So let's see what are the ordinal numbers for masculine word. Let's begin our lesson. الأعداد العربية الترتيبية من الواحد إلى العاشر. Arabic ordinal numbers from 1st till 10th. الواحد first. الواحد first. الثاني second. الثاني second. الثالث third. الثالث third. الرابع fourth. الرابع fourth. الخامس fifth. الخامس fifth. السادس sixth. السادس sixth. السابع seventh. السابع seventh. الثامن eighth. الثامن eighth. التاسع ninth. التاسع ninth. العاشر tenth. العاشر tenth. Now let's see what are the ordinal numbers for feminine words. الأعداد العربية الترتيبية من الواحدة إلى العاشرة. Before we begin Arabic ordinal numbers for feminine words, we must know that there is a very simple process of making a word feminine in Arabic. What is the process? We just have to add a circle ta at the end of a masculine word. So for instance, there is a word al-wahid, which is the ordinal number used for masculine word. To make it feminine, we just have to add a circle ta like this. So al-wahid is first, al-wahidatu is also first, difference being al-wahid is used for masculine and al-wahidatu is used for feminine. So al-wahidatu first, al-thaniyatu second, al-thalithatu third, al-rabi'atu fourth, al-khamisatu five, al-sadisatu six, al-sabi'atu seven, al-thaminatu 8, التاسعة 9, العاشرة 10. Thanks for watching till the end. If you have learned something new, kindly do share it with your friends. I will be back with a new video. Until then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.